Hi, I'm Maribel Lopez with Essence Realty Team, Keller Williams. Today, I'm standing at 912 Pelham Court in Naperville, Illinois. This gorgeous home has been meticulously maintained and it features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a finished basement, a sunroom, and updates throughout. It's a perfect place to call home. Let's take a look inside. From the moment you walk through the front door, natural light beams through every corner of the home, and hardwood floors flow through most of the first floor. This home is perfect for entertaining as it features open concepts throughout the kitchen and family room area. The kitchen features granite counters and freshly painted cabinetry. Enjoy your mornings, days, or evenings in the fully windowed sunroom. Upstairs, 4 generously sized bedrooms and 2 fully remodeled bathrooms. Need more space? Check out the fully finished basement plus room for storage. Outside, enjoy the fully fenced-in yard, remodeled deck, or cozy fire pit. The current owners have poured so much love into this home with new updates including siding, roofing, windows, HVAC, and so much more. In addition to all of these wonderful features, this home is conveniently located near the train station, expressway, minutes walk to the highly acclaimed Naperville schools, parks, members only pool and clubhouse, and so much more. Call us today to make this home. Maribel Lopez, Essence Realty Team, Keller Williams.